In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money on Prizepicks. So let's jump straight into it. So to withdraw money, as you can see, we're currently here on Prizepicks. Now, I've actually come across to the Help Center, and here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to withdraw funds. So as you can see, it says you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. To request a withdrawal, all you need to do is navigate to the menu, which is located in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app. So if you're on a phone using the Prizepicks app, it's going to be in the top left hand corner. If you're on an internet or PC browser, all you need to do, the menu is going to be in the top right hand corner. So if you navigate to the menu, you're going to see a option to request withdrawal. What you want to do is give that a click, and then what's going to happen is you're going to receive a one-time password code, which will be sent by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. Now, no further action after this is needed on your part. We will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. So there's a bit more additional information here as well. So you can see, for example, if your withdrawal request failed, you've got some information here, such as, for example, if you've input inaccurate bank account information. And just a note that withdrawals do have to have a minimum amount of $10. Any smaller requests will fail. So even though you can put a request through for an amount under $10, it's going to automatically fail because the minimum amount is $10 for a withdrawal. Now, also another guideline to bear in mind is that only one successful withdrawal is permitted during a 24-hour time frame. So if your withdrawal request is processed at 2 p.m, for example, you will not be able to make another request until 2:01 p.m. the following day. But what I will do is leave a link to this in the video description down below, so you can click onto that if you want to. So on this page, there is a link here where you can request a withdrawal. So if you actually click onto this link, it's going to take you directly to the withdrawal page as well. It might ask you to sign in, and then you can go through the steps to withdraw funds. So that is how to withdraw money on Prizepicks. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.